Believe me, your duvet will fit in the washing machine. You're probably wondering how to wash a large duvet in a washing machine. The process isn't difficult at all. And most importantly, duvets can be machine washed. Let me show you how. Start by laying your duvet flat on the floor, fold it in half along its longer sides, then fold each side toward the center, just like I'm doing. Finally, starting from one end, fold it like an accordion. This method will ensure your duvet fits easily in the washing machine. It's recommended to wash duvets every 6 months, while allergy sufferers should do so every 3 months. Once a month, do this with your washing machine, and you'll forget about expensive repairs. Hardly anyone knows this trick. We use our washers almost every day, so regular maintenance is essential. One part we often overlook is the filter. It catches lint, hair, and small debris, and if it clogs, it can cause serious issues. Place a towel under the filter to protect the floor. Take an empty plastic bottle and carefully cut off the top. Then cut out a side section so it fits snugly under the filter opening. Unscrew the filter slowly. All the dirty water and residue will drain right into the bottle. It's a great way to see how much gunk builds up inside. Take out the filter and scrub it thoroughly with a brush in the sink. This helps remove dirt from every crevice. Don't forget to clean the filter housing too, where residue can also collect. Pour a little water inside to flush it out. Reinsert the clean filter and tighten it well. Done. The filter is clean, your washer runs like new, and you avoid an expensive repair bill. A way to quickly clean potatoes without all the scrubbing. Instead of washing them under running water the traditional way, you can use a washing machine. But that's not all. Before I show you this trick, get a large bowl, fill it with cold water, and add a few tablespoons of coarse salt. The salt acts like a natural scrub and removes dirt and soil that's often hard to wash off by hand. Place the potatoes in the solution, mix them well with your hand, and let them sit for a few minutes. Finally, rinse the potatoes under running water, and you're done. This is a classic method worth knowing. If you want to do it even faster, put the potatoes in the washing machine. Add a kitchen scrubber to help remove dirt more thoroughly from their surface. Choose a washing program, ideally one that's short and gentle so the potatoes don't get damaged. The machine will do all the work for you, gently cleaning them on all sides. After the cycle finishes, the potatoes will be perfectly clean and ready for further preparation. It's a great way to save time and reduce kitchen work, especially when cooking for a large group. Did you know that if you pour dish soap onto a sponge and toss it into the drum, the dish soap will break down buildup and freshen the inside of your washer? The sponge, thanks to its structure, acts as a carrier that releases the soap gradually during the wash. Together, they leave your washing machine smelling fresh and thoroughly cleaned,